Hey everyone! Ever miss a call on Microsoft Teams and wonder how to find the voicemail? It's actually really simple, but the option can be a little hidden. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly where to go to find and listen to all your missed voicemails. First, from your main Teams screen, look at the navigation bar on the left side. You're going to click on the calls icon. It looks like a classic phone receiver. Once you're on the calls page, you'll see your call history, which is likely set to all. To find your voicemails, look for the filter option at the top. Click on the drop-down menu that currently says All. From the filter options, simply click on Voicemail. Teams will then filter your call history to show only the voicemails you've received. Now you can see all your voicemails in one place. Just click on a voicemail to open it. You'll see a player and a text transcription of the message. You can hit the play button to listen to the audio or read the transcription below. And that's it. It's that easy to access your missed voicemails on Microsoft Teams. I hope this quick tip was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.